Good morning, students. The last class I said we start the story with the journey of NEET biology with kingdom Animalia. As I said to you, end of this particular session, you people need to answer 150 questions from this particular. Stepwise, we'll go through. First of all, let's talk about classification. Here, kingdom Animalia classified into two subkingdoms. Subkingdom Parazoa and subkingdom Eumetazoa. Kingdom Animalia classified into two subkingdoms. Subkingdom Parazoa, subkingdom Eumetazoa. Subkingdom Eumetazoa further classified into two grades. Grade radiata or diploblastica. Grade radiata or diploblastica and grade bilateria or triploblastica. Grade bilateria, no need to worry here. All these are the new words, technical terms. Again and again we use in all these in the whole session. Nothing to worry. Just try to understand the pattern of classification. Kingdom Animalia classified into two subkingdom. What are they? Subkingdom Parazoa and subkingdom Eumetazoa. And I said subkingdom Eumetazoa further classified into two grades. What are the two grades? Grade radiata and or diploblastica and grade bilateria or triploblastica. Grade bilateria or triploblastica. So meanings of each and every word will come here one after another. Let me complete the full chart now today. Bilateria or triploblastica. Grade bilateria or triploblastica further classified into two divisions. What are they? Division protostomia and division deuterostomia. Division protostomia and division deuterostomia. Division protostomia, division deuterostomia. At this stage, you may getting doubt. What is this exactly? What is this? This is like country India classified into some states like Telangana, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, like. Each state further classified into districts like Rangareddy district, some other district likewise, Nalgonda district, Suryapet district, Warangal district likewise. A district further classified into small towns, then they get classified into colonies. In that way we are talking actually. In that way we are talking. Kingdom Animalia classified into two subkingdoms. What are the two subkingdoms? Subkingdom Parazoa, subkingdom Eumetazoa. Subkingdom Eumetazoa further classified into two grades. Grade radiata or diploblastica. Grade bilateria or triploblastica. Grade bilateria or triploblastica further classified into two divisions. What are they? Division protostomia, division deuterostomia. Okay. So, division protostomia further classified into three subdivisions. Division protostomia further classified into three subdivisions. Let me write the subdivisions. Subdivision Acylometa. Subdivision Acylometa. Subdivision Pseudocylometa. Subdivision Acylometa. Subdivision Pseudocylometa and subdivision Schizocylometa. Okay. And the one and only subdivision which is included in deuterostomia, here the only subdivision, that is subdivision Enterocylometa. the one and only subdivision, that is Enterocoelomata. So we have 4 subdivisions, 3 from Protostomia, 1 from Deuterostomia. Let's talk about this: Acoelomata, Pseudocoelomata, Schizocoelomata, and this is Enterocoelomata. Okay, subdivision Enterocoelomata. Now, in this area, I am going to fill the phyla names. You might have learned over in earlier classes that Porifera, Coelenterata, Platyhelminthes, all that names I am putting in order now. Order. Let's talk about this. Phylum Porifera is from here. Phylum Porifera. Let me change the color. Let's take white, yellow, okay? No, same color it will come. White. Phylum Porifera. Phylum Porifera. Next, here in grade Radiata, we have 2 phyla. Phylum Coelenterata and phylum Ctenophora. Phylum Coelenterata and phylum Ctenophora. Okay. So Radiata or Diploblastica is having 2 phyla, Coelenterata and Ctenophora. And let me write about Acoelomata, phylum Platyhelminthes. Phylum Platyhelminthes. Pseudocoelomata, phylum Aschelminthes. Schizocoelomata, Annelida, Arthropoda and Mollusca. Annelida, Arthropoda and Mollusca. Enterocoelomata, phylum Echinodermata, phylum Echinodermata, Hemichordata and Chordata. Echinodermata, Hemichordata, Chordata. No need to write anything here. We get the material along with that. That along with this particular package, you get the material also. There it will be written very clearly. So, what to do with this classification? Kingdom Animalia explaining about hierarchical position of each and every phylum. Let me talk about this phylum. Phylum Porifera number 1. Phylum Porifera belongs to the kingdom Animalia, subkingdom Parajuba. Phylum Porifera belongs to the kingdom Animalia, subkingdom Parajuba. Which phylum Porifera belongs to? What is this hierarchical position? Let us try to understand first of all. Let us try to understand. So, I am the person from Hyderabad. Okay, so if my hierarchical position to understand, I belongs to the planet Earth, kingdom Animalia, and continent Asia. Asia may have so many countries, in that country India. India may have so many states, Telangana. Telangana may have so many cities. I belongs to Hyderabad. Okay, excuse me. In the way, phylum Porifera belongs to the kingdom Animalia, subkingdom Parajuba. Kingdom Animalia and subkingdom Parajuba. So, first your work is to write this hierarchical position. So, I am writing for phylum Porifera. Student watching this should take 10 pages here. Each page should give for one phylum. The various other things are coming to learn. So that's why in the top of the page, a student should write like this: kingdom Animalia, subkingdom Parajuba, and phylum Porifera. From where I get extracted this? It is from our chart. From this chart, I said kingdom Animalia, subkingdom Parajuba, phylum Porifera. So from that chart, that I extracted that Coelenterata, phylum Coelenterata belongs to the kingdom Animalia. Let me take little bigger marker for this to understand. This is kingdom Animalia, and much bigger it became. Okay, so subkingdom, we have two options to say, subkingdom Parajuva or Eumetajuva. Subkingdom Eumetajuva, and the grade it belongs to Radiata or Diploblastica, phylum name Coelenterata. Did you understand what is happening here? So our Coelenterata kingdom, it belongs to is Animalia, subkingdom Eumetajuva, and grade Radiata or Diploblastica. Okay, so I am writing here, I am writing this Coelenterata, I am writing this kingdom Animalia, subkingdom, as I said to you, there are two subkingdoms, Parajuva and Eumetajuva. This is belongs to subkingdom Eumetajuva. Grade it belongs to Radiata or Diploblastica. Grade Radiata or Diploblastica, and phylum which we are talking about is Coelenterata, which is also called Cnidaria. We have another name for this, phylum Coelenterata or Cnidaria. Okay, so then the second phylum we wrote kingdom Animalia, subkingdom Eumetajuva, grade Radiata or Diploblastica, and phylum Coelenterata or Cnidaria. Let's go there back. I have to write about Ctenophora. Ctenophora is also the same, isn't it? Kingdom Animalia, subkingdom Eumetajuva, and phylum Ctenophora. In the last class I said over a student should have patience to write all this. All the 11 you have to write today, and all the 11 you have to learn today. Okay, so should remember all these and should learn. But in this pattern where how I am teaching, this pattern make us the problem will be solved over. As I said to you, 720 marks, people even not getting 130. Why? Because short-term memory. They use it to forget the things easily and in a short period of time. So any kind of student they are. So not to forget the things when we are learning a particular topic for the first time, that how to learn that particular topic, if you go in this pattern, in this way which I am teaching, a student he will not forget at all. Not like that. He will not forget at all for coming 2 years. He easily is going to write the NEET examination with a great comfort, with long-term memory, without any hesitation. He can answer the coming questions. Here, this is not just a basic here. The thing which I am going to, the package which I am going to teach here, the never missed a question in the NEET final examination. We usually get question from here, in this package. As I said to you, as I said in the last class, the Kingdom Animalia package, which include 150 questions, topic by topic, I am going to explain. Today we are selected to understand the hierarchy of the phyla. Then after I will start explaining individual names, how they came, and what is the criteria, what is the phenomena behind them. We will use it to learn. We will learn that also in the coming classes. Today, hierarchy of phyla. As I said to now, Kingdom Animalia, subkingdom Parajuva, which phylum Porifera belongs to. And second one, we wrote this one, Kingdom Animalia, subkingdom Eumetajuva, and the grade go through the pattern Radiata or Diploblastica, phylum Coelenterata. Let me write the same for Ctenophora, because Ctenophora is also belongs to this only. So let's write Ctenophora. Kingdom Animalia, subkingdom. We have two options, we have two subkingdoms. I am selecting subkingdom Eumetajuva, grade, for Ctenophora we are writing grade Radiata or Diploblastica, and the phylum both Coelenterata and Ctenophora is having a similar hierarchical position, taxonomic position here. Kingdom Animalia, subkingdom Eumetazoa, grade Radiata or Diploblastica, phylum Ctenophora. Okay, so let's go back into the chart. Let me, for phylum Platyhelminthes, let me write the same for phylum Platyhelminthes. Let me take this one. Kingdom Platyhelminthes. I want to come here. Should come here. Platyhelminthes. For this kingdom, Animalia, subkingdom, we have two options: Parazoa or Eumetazoa. Subkingdom Eumetazoa. Grade Radiata or Diploblastica, Bilateria or Triploblastica. We are here. That's why I am selecting this one. Bilateria or Triploblastica. Division, this one. Division Protostomia. Subdivision Acylometa. Subdivision Acylometa came to our phylum Platyhelminthes. Subdivision Acylometa, phylum Platyhelminthes. Let me write this. I said 10 pages, the 11 pages for every phylum. Okay, 11 pages. So for phylum Platyhelminthes, I am writing. For phylum Platyhelminthes, let me take white. Kingdom, subkingdom, grade, division, subdivision. Kingdom, subkingdom, grade, division, subdivision. Again, let me show you once. For phylum Platyhelminthes, kingdom is Animalia, subkingdom is Eumetazoa, grade Bilateria or Triploblastica, division Protostomia, subdivision Acylometa, phylum Platyhelminthes. Let's go and fill there. So kingdom Animalia, subkingdom Eumetazoa, grade Bilateria or Triploblastica, division Protostomia, subdivision Acylometa, and the phylum Platyhelminthes. So at this place, I think you understand what you have to do exactly. From the chart, you have to write all these particular kingdom Animalia, subkingdom Eumetazoa, grade Bilateria or Triploblastica, division Protostomia, subdivision Acylometa, Similarly, we should write it for remaining phyla also. Remaining phyla means we should select next phylum, that is Aschelminthes. First is Porifera, then Coelenterata, then Ctenophora, then phylum Platyhelminthes number 4, Aschelminthes 5, Annelida, Arthropoda, Mollusca. Next after that Echinodermata, Hemichordata and Chordata. For all these phyla, should select that 11 pages. Each page on the top you have to write this particular basis of classification. Then for your comfort, the remaining even I am writing here itself. Let it be here. So I should go here, isn't it? Aschelminthes. I need to go here. Is it clear? No, I think. Let me take. I have to come here. ASCII helminth. Isn't that it? Kingdom. Kingdom Animalia. Subkingdom Eumetajoa. Grade Bilateria or Triploblastica. Division. Division Protostomia. Subdivision. Subdivision Pseudocoelometa. Phylum ASCII helminths. So for this, let me show you. Kingdom is Animalia. Subkingdom Eumetajoa. Grade Bilateria or Triploblastica. Division Protostomia. Subdivision, here it is, subdivision Pseudocoelometa. Subdivision Pseudocoelometa. Okay. Next, the same way we need to go with Annelida, Arthropoda and Mollusca. Annelida, Arthropoda and Mollusca. For all the three, kingdom is Animalia, no doubt. Subkingdom, little size matters here, that you can see clearly. Okay. Okay, I do one thing. Let us reach there directly to avoid confusion. Kingdom Animalia. Parazoa no matter, because that is phylum Porifera. Now I have to take subkingdom Eumetajoa. Subkingdom Eumetajoa. Subkingdom Eumetajoa is having two grades. Grade radiata or diploblastica. Grade bilateria or triploblastica. Grade bilateria or triploblastica. And it has two divisions. Division protostomia, division deuterostomia. And the single day won't come all these things here. That from the next class onwards, again and again these things will be repeated over. And now itself today, for 11 phyla we are writing 11 pages, means the things definitely repeated over. Things definitely repeated over. No need to worry here, all they are new names. Time being, saying again and again, they will come. As I said to you, repeating, revising again and again, our short-term memory will turn into long-term memory. Now I think we have to go here, isn't it? Schizocoelometa. Schizocoelometa. Schizocoelometa include three phyla. What are the three phyla? Annelida, Arthropoda and Mollusca. Don't write in one page. Take one page for one phylum. So, what is the hierarchy of this particular kingdom? Animalia. Subkingdom Eumetajoa. Grade. What is this? Grade. This is grade. Grade bilateria or triploblastica. Division. What is this? Division. Division protostomia and subdivision. Subdivision Schizocoelometa. Subdivision Schizocoelometa. So, with this information, I think you can write the hierarchy easily and comfortably, not reducing much. This is enough. Now, let me write kingdom Animalia, subkingdom Eumetajoa, subkingdom Eumetajoa, and grade bilateria or triploblastica. Bilateria, the other name for bilateria is, what is bilateria, what is triploblastica will come in the next classes. Till the time you should understand the pattern and hierarchy of each and every phylum. Division protostomia, division protostomia, subdivision, which one? Schizocoelometa. Subdivision Schizocoelometa. Phylum phylum, it might be Annelida or Arthropoda and Mollusca, that will be the same, isn't it? That means phylum Annelida, kingdom Animalia, subkingdom Eumetazoa, grade Bilateria or Triploblastica, division Protostomia, subdivision Schizocoelometa and phylum Annelida. For Arthropoda, same, kingdom Animalia, subkingdom Eumetazoa, grade Bilateria or Triploblastica, division Protostomia, subdivision Schizocoelometa and phylum Arthropoda. For Mollusca, kingdom Animalia, subkingdom Eumetazoa, grade Bilateria or Triploblastica, division Protostomia and subdivision Schizocoelometa, phylum Mollusca. Phylum Mollusca. Okay. Next, let's talk about Echinodermata, Hemichordata and Chordata. For the remaining three phyla, definitely kingdom is Animalia, no doubt. Subkingdom, we have two Parazoa and Eumetazoa. So it is subkingdom Eumetazoa, and we have two grades, grade Radiata and Diploblastica and grade Bilateria or Triploblastica. We are selecting Bilateria or Triploblastica. Okay. Next, further classification, division. We have two divisions, division Protostomia, division Deuterostomia. So I am selecting Deuterostomia. For whom we are writing? Echinodermata and Hemichordata and Chordata. Subdivision will be Enterocoelometa. Enterocoelometa. Okay, for this we have three phylum. What are they? Echinodermata, Hemichordata, Echinodermata, Hemichordata and Chordata. Echinodermata, Hemichordata, Chordata. Okay, let me. For Echinodermata I am talking. For Echinodermata, kingdom Animalia, subkingdom Eumetazoa, grade Bilateria or Triploblastica, division, this is the division. Division Deuterostomia, subdivision Enterocoelometa, phylum Echinodermata. Okay. For Hemichordata, same. Kingdom, for Hemichordata we are asking, kingdom Animalia, subkingdom Eumetazoa, grade Bilateria or Triploblastica, division Deuterostomia, subdivision Enterocoelometa, phylum Chordata, So this is the criteria. Kingdom Animalia, subkingdom Eumetazoa, grade Bilateria, division Deuterostomia, subdivision Enterocoelometa, phylum Hemichordata or phylum Chordata. As I said to you, we should learn 150 questions in the end of the session. Actually, we already get started. Our session and our questioning is get started. Let us try to answer to end the class. So I am going into the questionnaire. The paper will be given to you. For this, in my channel, NEET SRIKANTH, you have to go through. There we have our 150 questions. Day by day we complete that questions here. We will complete that questions. Today, whatever the questions we are completed, let me show you. Okay, this is the second part. This one. Today, we just seen classification, isn't it? We have just seen classification. So I will show you that questions here. As I said to you, kingdom Animalia classified into, here question number 10. The remaining will also come here. Remaining also come. But today's classification, the two sub-kingdoms of kingdom Animalia, practice before answer it come, you should say. Two sub-kingdoms. What are they? Sub-kingdom Parajoa and sub-kingdom Eumetajoa. Second question, the two grades of, all this from the chart itself, two grades of Eumetajoa are. What are the two grades of Eumetajoa? Before it appear here, you should answer. Radiata or Diploblastica, Bilateria or Triploblastica. Two divisions of bilateria, such kind of questions, 150 questions are there by the end of this particular session, Kingdom Animalia, basic session. You people will answer all these questions here, all these questions. For today's questions, to answer all the questions of today, which I am showing to you some more 10-15 questions here. All these questions based on the chart. And should write one hierarchy of one phylum in one page, 11 pages you have to do this, okay? Okay, then let's continue. Try to answer the question, even you don't answer, no matter, we do practice a lot here. At the end, finally, we'll be able to write all 150 questions shown here. Two divisions of bilateria. What are the two divisions? Division protostomia and division deuterostomia. Division protostomia, division deuterostomia. The three subdivisions of protostomia are, what are they? Acylometa, pseudocylometa and schizocylometa. Acylometa, pseudocylometa and schizocylometa. In the same way, we get the questions here. The subdivision of deuterostomia is one and only. What is that subdivision? Enterocylometa. Now the hierarchy came. As we wrote now, kingdom Animalia, subkingdom Parajoa. Nidaria. Nidaria nothing but Coelenterata. Kingdom Animalia, subkingdom Eumetajoa, grade Radiata or Diploblastica. Platyhelminthes. Kingdom Animalia, subkingdom Eumetajoa, grade Bilateria or Triploblastica, division Protostomia and subdivision Acylometa. Subdivision Acylometa. This is available in the YouTube, and those people, we can't avoid them from ads. Yeah. Kingdom Animalia, subkingdom Eumetajoa, grade Bilateria or Triploblastica, division Protostomia, subdivision Acylometa. The pattern, the way which I am answering, in the same way you have to answer, you have to practice till you answer like this, okay? Next shown is Nematoda. Nematoda nothing but Aschelminthes. We have two names. So kingdom Animalia, subkingdom Eumetajoa, grade Bilateria or Triploblastica, division Protostomia, subdivision Pseudocylometa. The way of answering, watch me, the same way you have to answer. Till you answer like this, you just don't think so, you are completed your chapter. Okay, so you should answer like this. If you answer like this, as I said to you, short-term memory and long-term memory. Okay, if a person answer like this, that will be in the long-term memory, you can remind it for 2 years, you can easily answer. Means, this is not just basics, we are talking about sample of learning. If you are able to do this for 32 chapters, it's very simple to answer 390 questions to get 360 marks in states like Telangana. 360 questions, if you get in biology, it's a great meaning here, remaining a little support from the remaining two subjects. You are going to get the medical seat, but our target is not to get the medical seat only. Our target is to get the top medical college you have to join after 2 years. Okay. For that, you no need to be intelligent, you no need to be average, below average, whatever it may be, whatever you are before. We don't want your previous knowledge. We don't want your basics. The basics, even we are running here, this is the basics. This particular basics we are learning helpful for the coming 2-3 chapters in our text here. And definitely we get a question in the NEET. Never we missed a question from this 150 questions. 150 questions. So here to reach this 150 questions, that this is the second class. In the first class, I said already about NEET and what is the problem which the students are facing and how to avoid that problem. So, yes sir, we can avoid. That means here what to do? What to do? You have to do what I am teaching here. You no need to go for till 2 years. You no need to wait for till 2 years. What is going to happen here? If you are successful in this area, if you follow the same criteria, definitely people will get 316 biology. Okay, let me continue. Phylum Annelida, they started here. Kingdom Animalia, subkingdom Eumetajoa, grade Bilateria or Triploblastica, division Protostomia, subdivision Silometa. Answering pattern, how you answer is also matters here. If you answer like this, kingdom Animalia, subkingdom, some Parajoa, Eumetajoa, this kind of answering method, that is called short-term memory. You may forget this 1 or 2 days. But how I am answering? Kingdom Animalia, subkingdom Eumetajoa, grade Bilateria or Triploblastica, division Protostomia, subdivision Silometa, phylum Arthropoda. Next, mollusca. Kingdom Animalia, subkingdom Eumetajoa, grade Bilateria or Triploblastica, division Protostomia, subdivision Silometa, phylum mollusca. Again and again, why I am saying here, we have some pronunciation issues will come. That's why I am doing it again and again here. So 1 or 2 days, you will be much related to these particular words and topic. Okay. Next, Echinodermata. Kingdom Animalia, subkingdom Eumetajoa, grade Bilateria or Triploblastica, division Deuterostomia. Here it is Deuterostomia, subdivision Enterosilometa for Echinodermata. Next, Hemichordata will come, isn't it? In the order, Hemichordata. Kingdom Animalia, subkingdom Eumetajoa, grade same as usual Bilateria or Triploblastica, division Deuterostomia, subdivision Enterosilometa. The last phylum, Chordata, phylum number 11. They are all chapter names in the coming chapter, Animal Kingdom. Kingdom Animalia, subkingdom Eumetajoa, grade Bilateria or Triploblastica, division Deuterostomia and subdivision Enterosilometa. So this is your target. Learn the chart and learn the what do you call it as hierarchical position of each and every phylum, individual phylum hierarchical position you should learn today. So this session is dedicated to understand, to learn the hierarchical position of each and every phylum. The notes will be given to you. Here it is. Let me close this. In this series, what we said, there is a kingdom Animalia. Kingdom Animalia is classified into 2 subkingdoms. What are the 2 subkingdoms? Subkingdom Parajoa and subkingdom Eumetajoa. Subkingdom Eumetajoa further classified into 2 grades. What are they? Grade Radiata or Diploblastica and grade Bilateria or Triploblastica. Grade Bilateria or Triploblastica further classified into division Protostomia and division Deuterostomia. Division Protostomia further classified into Asilometa, Pseudosilometa and Scheijosilometa, and subdivision Enterosilometa is from Deuterostomia. Individual phyla and their hierarchical position. In the next class, we learn that what is the basis of a classification, how we did this classification. So that we learn, and the meanings of each and every line, which and every word is given there, Radiata, Diploblastica, Bilateria, Triploblastica, we learn one after another. That will be in the next class. Then till the time you people need to learn the kingdom, Animalia, classification and the hierarchical position of individual phyla. Okay then, thank you.